Hello, I'm Jorkata Gaming, and today I'm playing Mario and Luigi Bowser since I started the X. So last time we've searched for the keys, and today we're going to get the blue key. So I figured out what was I supposed to do. I also leveled up. So I got here. Well, I didn't do the video. For those who are watching my video and wanna know, and I think the next location is here. So yeah, it is. I'm supposed to use this thing like in the last episode. Wait, I was supposed to do this, right? I'll try again. So I just need the right moment to strike. And yeah, I got the blue key. And with the blue key, we can unlock this door. And I killed most of the enemies in the castle. And leveled up by 2. So, how am I supposed to go into those areas? So we got to like a new area of Bowser's castle. So yeah, I did a puzzle. Are you liking them? The giant fat piranha plant Fafo has raised. They are enjoying the barbecue with whatever goes near their mouths. Do they give you the angry face? Then just fly up and hit them with spikiness. Oh, but I have sadness. Tears of longing for power. Power who does not fly. I have short those. Looks like a new area is having a reaction now. Let's go. This looks a lot like the bowl in Partners in Time. defeated it. Gahahaha. Looks like Red Hot Bowser is still alive and well. I'll just save real quick and... So... I think I know. So yeah, I'm going into a boss fight. I don't know if I told you guys, but yeah, at last the Dark Star awakes like a naughty napping baby. Ward Fafo. Fafo hates your timing and Cicero bargaining at critical time for us. Your son's bark. Wahaha. Buddy, you're like on the son's super tanker. Tell you what, hand over the princess and the Dark Star, and we'll call it good. Ward Fafo, leave him to me. Oh man, again, you don't give up. Well, have it your way, you will be a nice tune-up for my stomping Fafo. I have some laziness. Bowser keeps appearing like an ugly rabbit from the hat of a magician who stings. So Fafo will fight you to help MIDBUS have victory. But MIDBUS has pride. So Fafo listens to you. MIDBUS, power up! So this ice gun thing, MIDBUS turns to Blizzard MIDBUS, and Blizzard, because he's like all blue, cold and stuff. Now you face Hot Rod, the Hot Rod of my freezing Blizzard attack. Here your long journey ends. So yeah, I'm just changing the layout there. I also practiced this attack. So the fire flower must be useful for those things, because they're literally a snow.
Oh yeah!
But I use the snack basket now.
Yahoo!
And they're all dead. Was I supposed to hit the bomb?
Yahoo!
So I did my first excellent attack with this. We already got into fury. And we finally defeated him. Ma. Though I fought here won't be worth Fafo. Now he will finish you. So MIDBUS is dead. At least I think he's dead. Huh, now you understand what Bowser is all about. The Dark Star awakens. It wakes. It has awakens to us. Fafo has waited so long. I have sanction, which is I'm taking Dark Star's power. I have darkness, so very darkness. The dark power builds evil, a skyscraper of evil. With the dark power in me, the world is for Fafo. That world, the world, good one, crazy guy, the world is mine. And now I will just help myself to the Dark Star and the world. Bowser, close your mouth before... Yeah, I see what happens. Close your mouth. And he inhaled it. So yeah, something happened right now. What happened? It looked like you just swallowed something. The Dark Star made the Dark Star that's real funky. Really? Yeah, just burning. That was gross, but my chest feels better. What was that heartburn? I mean, with the Dark Star in there somewhere. Bah, my chest is getting hot again. Looks like it's up to us to catch the Dark Star. I mean, if it stays inside Bowser's body, I can't imagine what sort of horrible thing might happen. Come on, let's go. So I'll just stop by. The airway is the last location or area we're going to explore with Mario and Luigi. Got caught, huh? That icy bread Bowser had really dropped the temperature in this area. Huh, the water froze? Interesting. That means you can jump on that platform without it sinking. Think that icy bread freeze and melt things will help out, so keep that in mind.
Oh yeah.
So this is the mechanic of this area. It uses the code for different things. Luigi, you're shivering a bit much, don't you think? It's not that cold, come on. You can handle it, seriously. You just think you're cold. It's all in your head. Think I am not cold and you won't be cold.
Oh yeah.
I'm not cold. Not cold. Not.
Luigi.
So this is the map of the airway. And this is where I'm ending the episode. In the next episode we're going to explore the airway, maybe defeat it, a boss, I don't know. But yeah, this is for this episode. Please like and subscribe to the next episode.